at that. Why, good morning guys. Welcome back to sunny Australia. As you can see, the weather's amazing today. Just so damn amazing that I had to grab my drone, my DSLR time-lapse camera, my GoPro, my motorbike, all my gear, and come out to this sunny place, 1 hour's drive from where I live. 1 hour ride, should I say. Google said it was going to be a nice sunny day. Look at this. Not very sunny. It's annoying because my GoPro keeps getting all those little droplets on it. I didn't ride out here so I couldn't enjoy myself, and I didn't ride out here so I couldn't vlog. So I'm going to do all of that anyway. I'm going to go to the place and try and use my drone anyway. $1,100 drone, flying it through the rain, above the ocean. Rain above, rain below. I don't think it's a good idea, but let's do it anyway. So why do we ride motorbikes? Why do men love motorbikes so much? Is it because you've got immense power between your thighs, which at any moment, flick of the wrist, you can harness that power? No, I don't think that's the reason, although it is a pretty good one. No, the real reason we ride motorbikes, well, I don't know about your reason. You might want to tell me in the comment section below, but my reason for riding motorbikes is simple. It gives me freedom. Freedom to get away from things I don't want to be around, and freedom to go wherever I want. And also, it lets me be more in touch with my surroundings, with nature. It's a meditative experience. Ooh, nice, look at that river. The obsession with motorbikes for me is something that a lot of guys can relate to, because we like cars, we like motorbikes. Why do we like both things? There's something similar there. It's because of the freedom that it gives you. And that freedom is what I've always been searching for in my life. When I had my 3-month trip overseas, the first one to India, and I rode around the Himalayan mountains, I felt so damn free that I just forgot about my whole life, and it was just me, the motorbike, and the mountains. And that was such an amazing experience. But it taught me something. That is happiness. Not so much neglecting all your responsibilities and just doing what you want, although that is pretty fun, but the main thing is forgetting about your life and all your problems. Because if you haven't noticed something, all your problems are just in your head. There's always someone that has it worse. We're always making these big problems out of nothing. Or we're always fearing something that never happens. And motorbike riding, plus I do a bit of meditation here and there, combining both, and I'm getting some good insights that you too can bring that motorcycle meditative mindset to your everyday life. And that's just by recognizing that it's all in your head, and you don't need to necessarily believe everything that your brain tells you, because at the end of the day, your brain is just a collection of all the junk and rubbish that society has taught you, that you've absorbed. If you had negative friends, you'll have a negative mindset. If you had positive friends, you'll have a positive mindset. Basically, you are a sponge that just absorbs whatever is around it. Well, sadly, the weather is disappointing. As you can see, it's just so foggy that you can't see anything, and it's just constantly sprinkling rain. in some weird way, that was probably the most enjoyable drone flight I've ever had. That's how much I love the rain, I just love it. I mean, look at this. It's covered in, I don't know if you can see, it's like covered in little droplets of water, and it was still flying like no dramas. DJI, once again, you have just impressed me. You guys are the best. How fucking awesome is this? Now this is freedom, your motorcycle of choice, between your thighs, the landscape of your choice, oh, second best, between your eyes, well in front of your eyes, the most epic beats in your ears. So